Hi, my name is Julian Nati Paxton, 20 years old, currently living in Imus City, Cavite. Well, I recently watched the movie called Uranus 2324, starring Rebecca Patricia Armstrong and Frin Sarocha Chan Kim Ha. Well, I can describe it into two words: parallel universe. Well, there has been a lot of details that is connected from the past and the future. Well, I also read a lot of reviews online saying that they couldn't understand the storyline and it is the worst one ever. Well, for me, it's not. You just have to you just have to turn on your brain cells to understand the things that happened in the movie or that can happen to the movie, the storyline either. And that's it. Thank you, Belker, for producing that movie. It is the great movie ever that I watch. Or I could just say that it is the first time movie that I have watched in my life. Well, random story time. Well, wishing well. Well, the first Thai girls love drama that I watch is Gap the series, starring by Rebecca Patricia Armstrong and Prince Sarocha Chan Kim Ha again. And I also watched their second drama called Loyal Pin. And right now, I am currently waiting for their Four Elements the series on YouTube. And thank you for that, Idol Factory. And that's it. Thank you. I almost forgot it.